So guys, I'm about to go try and recover the squirrel I just shot on video. First I need to try to find some gloves. I don't want to pick them up right now because they're pretty, they got dirty skin right now. I guess I ain't got none. Let's just see if I can recover them out of the woods right here. I'm hoping that I had a headshot on it. I don't know. I know he dropped instant. He didn't even move around in the trees. Oh, there he is. I need to go get my pellet gun real quick. He ain't dead. Nah. I don't know. No. No.
That's odd. It is.
Alright guys, I just saw him. He ain't dead even. There he is, he's kicking now. I need to put the last kill on him. He's kicking around right here. Alright, I hope I can get this shit. I'll get any ticks and stuff on me. Oh, dude, he is fucked. Stop. Jeez, where'd he go? I think I gotta put another one in him. There he is. Alright, like I said, very nice headshot on him. On the first shot. Okay guys, here's a squirrel I just shot. My Benjamin. Ew. It's pretty bad. I got him though. He didn't die with the first shot, and I hit him in the head. Right there. Somewhere in that area. But that's the kill. Hopefully I'm gonna try to feed him to the fox up here. Alright guys, comment, rate, subscribe for me.